Hi guys, and welcome to AmNowTech. If you have your Windows 11 and it's lagging very slow, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you these three options for you to apply on your computer and your PC will be fast after we do all these settings.
There are only three solutions we'll be working on in this video.
We have to clean our temporary files. Without further delay, let's get started in cleaning our temporary files on this PC. Now, to clean the temporary files is very easy and simple. Now, on your computer, just click on your start and search for run. Right, we have run here. Click on that, and on the run text box, just type in temp. Click on OK. Right, so click on continue. It's just giving the permission. So these are temporary files which they are not useful to your PC, and it's making your PC to be very slow. So once you are on to the temporary folder, just highlight everything, and on your keyboard press shift delete and then click on yes. Right, and then do this for all. Try again, do this for all, and skip. Right, so this is gone. That is the first option we have to do. The next is just to go and delete another temporary files again. So on the start bar again, once again, just click on the start and click search run once again. Right, just open that. On the run box once again, type in temp percentage. Right, so click on OK, and then these are also temporary files which you need to clear. So just highlight them once again and press on your keyboard, press shift plus delete, and then click on yes. Right, so just do this for all and then try again. Do this for all, then you skip. Right, so that is the next option, the second step we have to take. So the third option is to go to your settings, click on your start once again and go to your computer settings, or you can press Windows key plus I to open the settings directly. On your computer settings, click on system, and under the system, scroll down and go to your storage, as we have the storage here. Right, so we have these three options which we have here. As you can see, our PC is still loading all the files. We have installed apps, desktop, and then temporary. But before we go to this, Windows already give you some recommendations which you have to clear some certain files before you do this. So you can see here, these are recommendations by the Windows. So you can just click on that and then just check all these and clean them up. So if you select this, select that, you can see we have cleanup. So just uncheck that. Now go back. So these three options that we have. So we have the installed apps. So go to the installed apps. And with the installed apps, you can just check through within your apps which are installed onto your PC. So if you have observed that there is any application which is installed that you have not installed by yourself, you can just click on it and then uninstall that. So that is just it. Go back. Now we move to the desktop. On the desktop here, mistakenly you can just copy some few files and forget that you've copied a file there and it will be there occupying space. You can just view the desktop and then it will open in a folder form, which the folders will be organized. If you don't need any folder there, just delete that off. So just close this, go back. And the third option is the temporary files. So on the temporary files, we can see here already there are options which are already selected by Windows. We have here remove files. Now, but these are the options there. So we have recycle bin here. You can just select that because any file that you have deleted, it goes to the recycle bin folder, so which we don't need. So you just check that. And on the download folder, you can go and check your download folder. If the files on the download folder, you don't need them, you can just check this in addition. But here in my case, I need my download file, so I'll just uncheck that. Now go to the top there and then we have here remove files. So just click on that and then click on continue. Right, and it's going to clear all the temporary files out. With these three options, you are able to get your computer back to running fast. Once you have done all these options, you just have to restart your PC, and once the PC is restarted, it is going to be back working normal as compared to the previous behavior it's been behaving. So guys, that is just how simple and easy it is to clean your computer temporary files and make it faster as compared to the previous sluggish and lagging behavior. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment sections, and like and subscribe. See you on our next video. Peace out.